What's up guys, this is John with Carrot Customs, and as you've probably recently seen on YouTube, we did an install video for the TTB50 coilover kit leveling height, and today we're going to show you the before and after comparison and take it out in the dirt. We're going to go tow a trailer with a heavy truck on it and have a good time. And you're going to see quite the difference between stock and after we've done the suspension. So as you can see, obviously in the dirt, the difference between stock and our suspension is pretty much night and day. Like, it's literally insane. The thing will outdo a Raptor in a heartbeat off-road, and it's got our TTB50 leveling coilover kit and our new F250 four-wheel drive stock height rear leaf suspension. And the ride difference, it's hard to explain just how good it is. And as you'll see, we towed my 2015 Super Duty that has all stock suspension on it, and that OBS with all of our front and rear suspension rides 10 times better than that newer Super Duty does with the coil springs and all the stuff, which we are going to change. It's just crazy. The difference is really hard to put into words. That's kind of why we're trying to put it into video. With this, you can go and have a great time off-road, and then you can also go hook up to a trailer and put your truck to use like it's meant to do. And when it's all unloaded and you're just daily driving or on a road trip or cruising around town, it's super, super comfortable. It feels better than a modern truck. We have a lot of fun making these videos, and we always love coming out with new products, testing them. We test this stuff thoroughly on our own trucks before we ever release it for sale. Comment below and let us know what you guys think, if you like these videos, if there's things you'd like to see, and if you want to support us or the channel or whatever, go to carrotcustoms.com. You can get yourself a hoodie like this, a new one, not one that's all torn up, t-shirts, all that good stuff, and all of our suspension products for 1980 through current Fords. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.